Hello, students. Welcome to the Industrial Safety online session. This is the online session of the subject of industrial safety. This subject used to come in the uh, post graduation courses in the branch of structural engineering and to the mechanical engineers. So, this the topics that will be covered in this online session will be in synchronization with the G2 topics. So, all the topics of the G2 syllabus will be covered in this online session. Okay, so yes, we will be proceeding towards our online session. Here we are in the module 2 and we have already started the module number 2 of the G2 syllabus. So we will be now proceeding towards the further topics of the module 2. The previous topics, previous session, we have discussed the maintenance, name of the maintenance, types of maintenance, uh, all the things will be have discussed in the previous session. Now we will be moving towards the next session. It is the types of tools that are used for the maintenance. So tools that is required for the maintenance that will be discussed in this session. Hand tools. The foundation of any good and proper toolkit is the hand tool. Means with the help of the hand, the tools that are being used for the maintenance will be termed as the hand tool. Depending on the nature of the work, a craftsman must have a proper hand tool and he must be able to choose the right tool for the right task. It is necessary that the person who is involved in the maintenance should select the right tool that is useful for the particular work. There is a specific tool for the specific work and that is required to be selected. Okay, now next. In absence of the proper hand tool and knowledge about using it, the craftsman will lose his efficiency and purpose. So if a person who is involved, for example, the craftsman who is involved in the maintenance work, if he don't select the appropriate tool and he don't have the proper knowledge of the maintenance, then he will lose his efficiency. The efficiency will be reduced, and as a result of this, the quality of the work will be reduced. So as a result, ultimately, the owner and the worker will have to uh, pay for in form of either uh, um, problem in the machines or stopping of the machines or stopping of the work or yes, such kind of problems may occur. Hand tools like pillars, wire cutters, wrenches, sockets, ratchets, saws, and many other are the backbone of the maintenance, repair, and operation programs. So these are all tools that is operated by the hand is mainly used for the maintenance. Power tool. If a user is manufacturing a plant, wish to save the time, the resources, and make the task simple and more effective, and power tool is the highly favorable. Means when it is necessary, it is required to uh, reduce the time, have an optimum resources, and make the task simple, then power tool is the only thing that is required to be adopted. Productivity, safety, and efficiency are the major factors driving the demand of the efficient power tool. By using the power tool, a safety will be maintained. Means obviously the work will be done with the help of the powered operated tool. The motor fitted into that equipment will do his work. There is a proper safety for it. The productivity will be also increased because the work will be done by mechanically. So obviously, much more efforts will be made by the equipment, and as the much more efforts is being made, the efficiency will be increased because with the third is reciprocating saw, angle grinder, oscillating multi-tool, impact to driver, powering up. and many more tools are used for the enhancing the productivity of the manufacturing plant across the world. So basically, this power tool is like a motor tool that is being operated with the help of motor. So with a least effort, just making an efficiency in operating, we can achieve the highest productivity, and that can be done with the least efforts. So this is a reason where the efficiency is increased, the productivity is increased, and the whole work is done by the machines itself. So as a result of this, we can say that the productivity, safety is also maintained. Reciprocating saw, angle grinder, oscillating multi-tool, impact driver, powering up, and many other tools are the examples of this. The main function is to just increase the efficiency. Chain host. The tricone drill bits are extensively used in the process of the local rock fracture and mining communications. This also play a crucial role in the removal of all kinds of rock. The chain host is like the host which is raised with the help of a chain that is being lowered. As a result of this, an impact is being created on the rock on which it is required to be broken. So with the help of this, the heaviest of a heaviest rock can be broken into pieces. That can be done with the help of the chain host. Different types of the tricone drill bit bearings are used in the mining and the construction industry. Are open rollers, bearings, air cooler roller bearings, sealed roller bearings, and seal journal bearings. So there are different kinds of bits. Means the attachment that is being provided at the end of the tricol, which imparts impact to the stone when it is being lowered once it has got raised. So different kinds of the bearings are being available. Okay. That is roller bearing, air cooled bearing, sealer bearing, sealed bearing. Proper maintenance of the drill is highly recommended for the requirement and success reason because it is used repeatedly. It is successively used. Number of cycles are there. It is being on dropped 7 times in a particular rock. So it is being used again and again. And as a result of the usage, the bearing will take place. The wear and tear is much more. The edge will not get will get edges by using much more usage of this sharp tricone drill. The edge will not be remain the sharp once it was newer. So it is necessary to maintain it, proper shape it, sharp it, and proper maintenance is required in the chain host. Chain host. RefTech help to procure accessories required for the specific drilling bit used in the industries for different purpose, including the high-speed steel, solid carbide, coal, and the diamond drilling. Means in industries, the bit that is being used is for different purpose, either for sawing or for drilling or having an impact or crushing. These are all the different objectives for which the chain host is being used, and different kinds of material are also used. That is the diamond related. So these are all the different types. Milling milling tools, the shaping and the cutting of the material like metal, wood, plastics, or even brass. The most versatile milling machine with a wide range of cutting or milling tools are used in the industries that allows the completing complicated operations such as indexing, straddle, milling, gang milling, slot cutting, planning, and drill. So yes, this is a very much versatile machine that is being used in the construction, mainly used for the cutting. The wide range of cutting is being done. It is mainly used for the indexing, straddle mining, gang mining, slot mining, planning, and drilling. So this is, you can see a picture which is the needle is being provided, which has the corrugation on the surface, and which is the main member that is drilled, that will be drilled into the object. So as a result of this, the holes are being made. So thanks for attending my session. This is Professor Akash R. Suthar, and see you in my next session. Thank you.